Hi everyone. Under the basic accounting terminologies, today we will discuss the term purchases. So what is purchases? Purchases means goods in which the business deals. In terms of manufacturing organization, in case of manufacturing organization, what do we mean by goods? Goods is the material or raw material which is bought for the purpose of conversion into finished product and then selling that product. And in case of trading organization, the purchases means goods bought for the resale of the goods. In both the cases, this terminology is called goods. Okay. Now, for example, you have purchased goods for the resale for cash. So what will be the accounting entry? The accounting entry would be purchases debited to cash. And in case you bought these purchases for credit, in that case you will be debiting purchasing account and credit vendor liability. Now in both the cases, the goods are being bought for the purpose of earning the profit. When you sell these goods, the business is going to earn the profit out of it. So that's the purpose of purchases. Okay, and this will be debited when you're buying the goods. You are going to debit your trading account, right? So this was the terminology of purchases. Now let's understand the attached terminology called purchase return. Now it may also happen you bought the goods, when you are inspecting it, your quality inspection was done, the goods are not of the quality which you wanted. So then what are you going to do? You are going to return those goods. So these are called purchases return. When you return the purchases which are made due to any reason, due to wrong order which has received or due to any quality defects, these are called purchases return. And these are also called returns outward. Okay, so when you are going to show the total purchases, you are going to show the purchases net of purchase returns. So that will be the disclosure which you are going to show in the accounting. I hope you understood this concept. Do tune in to this channel for more understanding on the accounting terminologies. Thank you for watching the video.